year 1 to 4, we also have to be on campus and take classes along with everything else that we are doing. So these 4 years, they are giving us, like, we are placed in some setting, like it's either like hospitals, mainly schools, because that is what most people are interested in. But they place us somewhere that's not like an internship. But you have to go there, like you have to visit the site once a week, and you have to spend like a good 6-7 hours there. And then in your year 5, you get like a full-time internship. So that's where, like, you have to like move out of campus and go to wherever that place is, and literally work there. For us, we don't really have like a career fair for internship and stuff. I know UCR has that for other programs, but because like we are usually a very small cohort, it's your professors helping you out. Like it's not like you're assigned a particular site, but they help you with approaching the right people, and they also have their own contacts. So you have to go through a process with like the interview and stuff, but your professors help you out, and they kind of make sure that you get in. So like right now we are going to different schools in our own county, but that is not something that we have to go find for us. It's something that's just like allotted to us. Basically, if you go and you tell them like, this is what I'm looking at and I just need to prepare a good resume, then they will help you out with that. You are also assigned like one specific person as like, he's not your advisor, but he's like your secondary advisor, and that person also helps you with all these other things. I think close to 40. I've heard of like a couple of places where that has happened, but I'm not really sure if that happens that often. I think this will vary from state to state, but I know like in California, people of color are really, they are well received, and also like people really appreciate the fact that their team has that kind of a diversity. And apart from that, I think like because this is a PhD program, like most people get placed, they don't really find that sort of a difficulty finding a job, be it in a university or in school, or some people even go on to do like postdoctorate. So I think placements they're pretty much taken care of. Between 85 to 90.